Actiflo Turbo, the ultimate clarifier. Actiflo Turbo is a high-rate compact water clarification process in which water is flocculated with microsand and polymer in a turbo mix draft tube. The microsand enhances the formation of robust flocks and acts as ballast, significantly increasing their settling velocity. The unique characteristics of the resulting microsand ballasted flocks allow for clarifier designs with very short retention times, high rise rates, and extremely compact system footprints that are up to 50 times smaller than other clarification processes of similar capacity. Actiflo Turbo consists of a coagulation tank and a flocculation tank with a turbo mix draft tube, followed by a settling tank equipped with a bottom scraper and lamella. A centrifugal pump transports the microsand sludge slurry from the settling tank to a hydrocyclone for microsand cleaning, recovery, and reuse in the process. After coagulant addition, raw water enters the coagulation tank under vigorous mixing to initiate flock formation. The coagulated water then enters the turbomix flocculation tank, in which microsand and polymer are added. The turbomix draft tube is designed to ensure intimate mixing, in which flocks are attached onto the surface of microsand with the help of polymer. Thanks to its anti-vortex baffles, the turbomix draft tube improves the hydraulic mixing and reduces the dead volumes in the basin. Hydraulic retention time in the basin is approximately 3 minutes. The fully flocculated water then passes through a series of xiphoid baffles, which help to avoid the transfer of turbulence from the agitated zone into the settling tank. There, the microsand ballasted flocks settle quickly to the bottom, whereas clarified water rises through the lamella, pours into a series of collection troughs, and then into the common effluent launder. The microsand sludge slurry is scraped to the central pit of the settling tank, from which it is withdrawn with the help of a rubber-lined centrifugal pump and sent to a Ma hydrocyclone. Pumping energy is converted into centrifugal forces within the body of the hydrocyclone, causing the chemical sludge to be separated from the higher density microsand. The clean microsand is recovered at the bottom of the hydrocyclone and re-injected into the turbo-mix draft tube for reuse, while the lighter density sludge is discharged out of the top of the hydrocyclone for thickening or disposal. Optionally, surface water can be introduced into the lower section of the Ma hydrocyclone to avoid the return of some of the sludge back into the process. In addition to ballasting the flocks, the microsand buffers the effect of sudden raw water flow or load variations, making Actiflo Turbo a very stable process. The short overall hydraulic retention time on the order of a few minutes makes it easy to quickly optimize the treatment. Thanks to TurboMix, power consumption and therefore operating costs are reduced. Depending on raw water quality and treatment objectives, the rise rates in Actiflo Turbo ranges between 80 and 150 meters per hour and can be as high as 200 meters per hour in some specific applications. Thanks to the use of microsand, Actiflo Turbo is a user-friendly process that is very easy to operate and efficient in the treatment of difficult waters. In addition, short hydraulic retention times and high rise rates allow for extremely compact system footprints, which translate into substantial savings in investment costs. Together, these unique features make Actiflo Turbo state-of-the-art and the most efficient clarification process on the market today.